Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is actually going to be an unboxing of the PLOUISE July box. This one I've had for a couple of weeks, but I noticed I didn't film the video for my YouTube channel. Although a lot of you guys like the long form content like I do, so I hopped on here and I'm going to share with you the unboxing and let's see what we got in this month's box. August is on the way, it's stuck in customs. It took a bit longer than normal this time, but when it arrives we'll make sure to film it. Okay guys, let's open her up. Again, some of the things I've already seen, but the first things first, which I do love, are the magazines. So these are the PLOUISE magazines. This one is number 2 if I'm not mistaken. The first one was the lip conditioner in the blueberry scent, which is one of her best sellers, and the second one that we have this time is the cosmetic base. This, if I'm not mistaken, I've heard is shade 2, which I don't have. I have shade 0, I have 1, and if I'm not mistaken 1.5, but I don't have shade 2, and apparently shade 2 is very popular in the UK, so I'm very excited to have that. So that's obviously a goodie. And if I'm not mistaken, we are not getting the newest magazine in this next month's box, because if I'm not mistaken, they probably would have been packed around the same time that these were being sent out. So I'm hoping that we might get the newest magazine, which if I'm not mistaken is a really cute mini cream blush, Cheek of It liquid blush, and I'm very excited to get that one. I hope I do, because I haven't ordered anything and I'm hoping it will come in a budget box, and that one will be for September, so we will see. So in the box, the first thing I'm gonna get out are these. We do love false lashes. Now I think these are gorgeous. So these are wispies. They look like a wispy kind of look. So we have 3 different styles. We have In My Sights, Feeling Full, and For My Eyes Only. And the theme of this box is very chocolatey like, so you can see all the lovely designs on the packaging. Gorgeous. 3 different styles of lashes, and I'm curious to see if they actually have glue, because we know that she has her own glue now and it's pink and we love pink. No, so we just get the tray with the lashes in here. So the lash glue does not come with these, but I still need to try it out because I'm dying to try out her lash glue. I'm not sure if I've got her lash glue in any of the other lashes. I probably have a little one somewhere around. So these ones are Hungry Eyes, 3 sets of lashes, which are great for my kit and also for myself. I honestly haven't really been using false eyelashes at the moment, because I do like the idea of the underlash at the moment, and at the moment I'm just using mascara. So picking out the next one, this is Glisten to Your Heart Cute Glitter Liner Duo. So we get 2 in the pack, gorgeous colors. Let's open her up and see. Beautiful colors. So those are the 2. We'll give it a swatch as well. I love the matte texture on the actual component. So we have Inner Calling, which is like a pinky red rose gold. That's the swatch. They're gorgeous. I can't wait to use these. I keep forgetting I have them, to be fair. And then the next one is Heart Desire, which in my opinion is rose gold, where this one's, you put them together, this one looks more red, but then this one is actually more rosy. So again, I would say a rose gold. And let's swatch. Stunning. Can't wait to use these. Probably they're really good for like Christmas events or something, but they're very glittery and they're very cute and very gorgeous. We love those. The star of the show, the lip bases. Everyone raves about her lip bases. Now she did add 4 to the range, and these are very nude browns. Now if I'm honest, I have tried 2 of the shades and on my complexion I'm not the biggest fan, so I have tried the lightest shade, which is called, let me see, True Love's Kiss, which is this one. I will insert a swatch of these because I think I've already filmed that. And I have tried Power Hungry, which is the lightest of the browns. Personally, on my skin tone, they're not my favorite, but I'm sure on other people these are gorgeous, so they're actually going in my kit rather than my personal makeup area because they just don't suit me. But I love how she's included dark shades as well, so they're good for any skin tone, any skin type. And then we have this one, which is No Censor, and we also have the darkest shade, which is called She's a Baddie. Now I know for certain that if I try any of the other colors, I'm gonna love them. I know she has a set where you can buy I think it's about 8 or 10 shades, and you get them at a really good price. There's some really nice nude pinks, there's reds, oranges, there's loads of colors, and they dry matte. Now honestly, I've tried to see the longevity of these. I think it depends on the climate, honestly. They're a good lipstick. I'm not gonna say that they stay on all day because they didn't stay on all day for me, because again, we're in hot weather, it does make a difference. But again, I still need to trial them more and maybe get some other colors and see how we get on with those. So those were going in my makeup kit because I've tried them and I haven't been a fan, unfortunately, because the colors just don't suit me, but that's fine. Lastly but never the least, we do love a palette, and this one is Sweet Surrender. It's as usual, it's always a face and eyeshadow palette, but this one also has creams, which is bit of everything, which is I think is a first for PLOUISE, if I'm not mistaken, as they said. And the creams are not intended for use around the eyes, if I'm not mistaken. If I remember when I opened this, I think there's a few creams you can't really use around the eyes, not ideal at least. But they always have a little disclaimer behind here where it shows you what's good for around the eyes. And oh, there's an actual typo, guys. I can't believe I just saw that. Let me see if it can use frown the eyes. We found a typo. That's so normal and can happen, which is fine. So yes, so this is a palette for eyes and face. You actually have what can be used for around the eyes, not for use around the eyes. And there are different types of things. Again, this is a 12-month. If you're not aware of when you're supposed to bin your things, especially with creams, look for that. Tells you how long things are supposed to last and how long you're supposed to use them for. So let's open this up and see the palette itself. I have not actually swatched this, if I'm not mistaken, but it's beautiful, literally beauty. You have the mirror on the top and you have the palette. Now I am a big fan of the Wedding Wish XL, the palette that is basically your nudes, browns for weddings. But this, I feel that this is going in my kit. It's gorgeous. You've got nudes, neutrals, beiges, creams, bit of everything, and it's just beautiful. And I think this could go really well in my kit. There's some shimmers. I don't know what I would use the creams for because I'm not sure if you're supposed to use them around the eyes. I'm just going to just double check just to get an idea. You melt me. These ones are, yeah. So basically the creams are not supposed to be used around the eyes. Like as bases, because I'm guessing because obviously she has her own base, but you can probably use them for other things, which again is great. Maybe as a lip product to match with the eyes. That could be an idea. I do love her lip palettes, so if these can be used as lipsticks, that would be an idea. Or contour or even maybe some sort of cream concealer. But the color range is gorgeous, guys. it's going to be a really cool staple in even bridal kits or makeup kits. Stunning. So that is basically what was in the July budget box for PLOUISE. We got a massive palette which has creams, shimmers and powders, gorgeous colors for basically any neutral girly out there. We got a set of 3 lashes, false lashes. We can't go wrong with those because they're always great for a night out. We have 4 PLOUISE lip bases in neutral browns. Again, unfortunately they don't suit me, but doesn't mean they're not good for anyone else, and they're going in my kits, so win-win for me. And then lastly, these gorgeous eyeliners. Are they eyeliners? Yeah, liquid liners. They're basically gorgeous colors, great for festivities, so can't go wrong with those. And lastly, we got the magazine in this month's box, and this one is the lip base. Not the lip base, the eye base, which I love, I use, and it's a shade that I don't have, because if I'm not mistaken they did say this is number 2. I actually haven't opened this. I should really open it and just double check the shade. Yes, it is rumor number 2, which I don't have, and I'm so thankful that it is a color that I don't have. So for 50 euros, look at all the makeup that you can get in a budget box. It's a subscription. You can either buy it once every time you want one, or you can be on a subscription like I am. Mine is just reoccurring. I've been getting it for over a year now. I'm so happy that I do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't. I'm not gonna say that I post weekly videos because most of the time I don't. It's just when I have the time and when things are easy to film, so that's gonna be one of those days today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.